Yardstyle live.
A long time ago. So I've been doing this a long time. And then I used to have a studio on Reddy's Road.
Yeah.
Bunker, Big Bro. I don't remember what the name of the studio was right now, but that's where the Siaga voice really was. Because that's where I was doing all the intros for Kenny and everybody.
Yeah.
If
And
you remember
yeah.
those intros with the crowd in the background.
Yeah.
Where like me I talk and yeah, I'ma say, "Hello Seb, that the man never forget bullet." I hear the whole crowd say bullet, 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 bullet. Remember I said that. That intro go viral across the world, brother. Remember I said that became a generic intro for every sound all across the world. All of them things I didn't even remember. I just know through me I thought about it, remember.
You made Dan Kingston and DJ Kenny. Can you say DJ Kenny Uptown?
Oh yeah man.
And
oh,
then
God, man.
Dan Kingston mix. When you say you think, tell him about the Dan Kingston.
Dan Kingston catch me and me I drink white rum when I still.
Tell him what, make it.
I'm gonna tell him some now voice and jingle come first.
Yeah.
And the man just wait till nobody know the man go link me back and I said, "Dad, just shot two for me now, man. Even two, brother. Just cool now, man. Fix things now." You see by the time we reach in I voice in home, I say, "You think it's done, Mobby? Eh? You think it's done, Ochi? You think it's done?" By the time we're done in the studio and I tears in the people are jump on the ground and I hold them belly, you know. And that intro there right now, till this day, if Dan Kingston gonna run up that intro, the people them kill him.
Yeah man.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.